This is the third floor. So, you know, like we got the office, the stage area. We're pretty much building that. This is our builder. We just met him at Home Depot today. Yeah, he's pretty much doing all the work, but we're gonna cut the carpet around and put in new carpet, bro. This is pretty much the project I started today.
Mark my words when I say this. One day you're gonna come onto my channel and you're gonna see my fiance building something all by himself. And in that moment, you're going to say to yourself, man, I should have started when I saw that man struggling to hold that paintbrush and then he finally got it. My fiance has zero background in doing anything. And now he is learning a lot. And so if he can do it, I know you can do it, because he kept saying to me, I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm like, but yes, you can. And look at him. He's doing it.
It's 30. It's really good. If you're interested in the plans, I will be writing a blog to give you the full measurement and scale and how I built it, because I built it a little bit different than what I was seeing online. The ones that I saw online, they did either 2x4 or 2x6 going straight down, and that's not how I built this. I wanted it to be a little bit more sturdy, so I used a little bit more material, and everything did come from the Home Depot. You want to do a 2x6 or 2x4 depending on height. Now the ceilings are about 10.5, close to 11 in certain points. If your ceiling is taller, like maybe 12, you can't do like a second if you don't plan on having cabinets back here. But really, really good plywood. The plywood was like $26. And then I have the 2x4s, and I just want to just show you guys one more thing, because I ended up using these. Can you see this really clearly, or I can get closer? So these are L brackets. I have 8 of these, and what I did was I put them in the interior. So I have one here, one here, one here, one. So let me count it for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm gonna do 9, 10 in the front to kind of hold it down. I don't know if you can see when I come off. Is it going down, Sean? Is it moving at all? Because yesterday it was moving. I don't know if I would recommend this, but we decided to keep the old carpet underneath it just to add more like cushioning for the sound, because this is over our bedroom, and we didn't want the kids to like run around and be jumping on it and to make a sound in here. Babe, is it going? Look, is it moving?
No.
You do it, because yesterday when you went on there,
I'm about to get some shoes.
okay, yesterday when you went on it, it kind of, I think it's the carpet, which is why I'm good. But if it doesn't move, maybe today it's a little bit more solid.
The installers did an absolutely phenomenal job. I am almost 100% positive that when you're thinking about upgrading your flooring, that carpet is not at the forefront. But let me just say, depending on the area, bedroom, loft, sitting room, I do feel like carpet is a really, really nice upgrade, especially when you select something that has a little bit of texture and design to it. When it comes to the hardwood floors, the kids did a little bit of damage to the previous house. Even though this was sponsored, I did see the ticket, and the ticket was $2,400 for 3 rooms. That was amazing considering what I have been paying for hardwood. So just consider that real quick. Getting this fireplace together has been extremely hellish. I started this project when I thought everything was okay with my uncle. And so now I am tackling the fireplace, and my. And honestly, it's something that I still wanted to leave alone, but I had to get to the point where I start getting the house together and I start like actually getting up. And so pretty much this is me attempting to still put in some energy in trying to get the house done. The fact that my fiance was out of town, and when he came home, he saw how much painting that I got done. He was like, okay, let's just go ahead and knock the rest of the stuff out, because I really did touch a lot of area in the house. We still have we still have like 5 areas that we need to paint. But listen, the fact that I'm not paying someone, I don't know, I think the bill would have been around $8,000. I'm just going to take my time and get it done by myself. But I love how everything is panning out, man. It looks really good. For the color, unfortunately, I cannot just say, oh, it's this color. Because I went in, I mixed a couple of colors together. I had a card. I mixed a couple of colors, played around with it, let it sleep overnight, allowed the color to really like oxidize. And then 2 days later, I went into Sherwin-Williams, and all I asked was for a paint match, so they actually scanned the paint. What I can tell you is I started off with urban bronze. I purchased a sample of black. I purchased a sample of brown, and I just kept mixing colors until I got the desired look that I was going for.
Praise is what I do.
Is this like your new thing now to let me know you're having a long day with me? You start singing.
Say what?
Is this like your new thing now when you've had a long day with me?
No, I just sing gospel music.
Okay.
That's my thing.
That's your thing?
Yeah.
It's your thing?
That's my thing, man.
Okay. So don't take it personal?
No.
Okay. Você mandei botou uma forma Jesus.
No.
Okay.
Oh, you already started up? We started out.
I worship your throne through my circumstances, and I wanna be close to you.
I lift my hand and pray.
And I will too.
I'm gonna go up.
Huh?
I'm gonna go up. Look.
Go up in what sense? Yeah, can you get behind there? You wanna move the fireplace out a little bit more or what? We can move it out a little
I
bit.
can move it out a little bit more. I can take that.
You gotta come like behind you in it.
It can sit right here.
Okay.
Praise is what I do when I wanna be close to you. I lift my head. Sometimes that's all you got, dog. I ain't trying to be funny, man. But I hope you understand what I'm saying. Like,
I understand.
like, man, look, I ain't got nothing else for you, dog.
But these hands.
I'm so defeated right now.
But these hands.
These hands are the only thing I got. I am defeated.
You don't have to worry about getting so much because we're replacing the bottom with 5-inch trim. So
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Keep your eye on the time so we can be like, regardless of where we're at, we can stop at 3 o'clock. Right over there. Or tell Sean 3 o'clock, notify us, whatever you want to do.
It's 1:11.
Okay.
Hey, when the screen goes out.
It was still recording.
Yeah, I know, but I can't see where you are.
It don't even.
Because you move your hand, so that throws me off. There you go. Because it's like, I know what I'm trying to get. Got it.
Okay. After, you gotta come in here and I want you to caulk everything right here.
You want to carry that for her, Sean?
Nope. This is stopped by Casanova. You know what you can do, Sean? Go downstairs, go get the paint.
Downstairs or the first floor?
Downstairs.
You should have added. Yeah. Okay.
What?
You gonna get a paintbrush and do the top of that?
Yeah. But we have a little bit of a dilemma.
It's too short.
We got a little bit of a dilemma. We got a little bit of a dilemma. We got a little bit of a dilemma. The carpet is really high right here because when they did it, I need the blade.
Blade's over there, next to you.
When they did the carpet, they bladed it all the way up.
All right, you guys, we had a baby shower to attend, and so we worked a little bit, came back, worked a little bit, and so we are coming back so we can finish this. So I will be back probably Friday with the next upload to show you the upstairs and just to show you where we're at in the house, because literally we've been doing a little bit that's been adding up to be a whole lot, and I'm so excited because the new rug looks so good. You saw the previous video, but we're going to continue talking about upstairs and the fireplace, and that's it. That's all.